Previously, on the Real YouTubers of Jamaica, the Vlogmas edition, we met the crew at CHILLITOS having a farewell link-up for Yadman Eaton and Kolinsky, who was noticeably absent. Hits West got curved by a Caucasian beauty, China K showed up 2 hours late, Duttyberry seems to finally have friends, and what can I say, it looked like a splendid occasion.
I'm so sassy in my heels, so hot in my heels. Watch me stepping in my heels. Watch me step. I'm so tempting in my heels. Watch my heels. In my heels. Watch my.
Who or what was Jermaine looking at? I guess the world will never know.
So that's like if you ease out and easy in?
Yeah, because when you're...
It's a focus.
No.
And yes, our sources have finally identified this weird random guy. His name is Joel.
When you watch it, the transition so smooth.
Oh, come here and say.
It look like you edited.
Alright, so look, so if I the one zoom, I'm gonna go so or so.
Yeah, but that's right. I think I right.
Oh. So I'm gonna stop it.
Just let it go. How you do it so much.
Yeah, but if I just want a little zoom, like how can I stop? Okay, look, I gotta continue.
No.
Dutty and Rochelle got into a heated debate over how to use the camera. But guess what I'm going to do? Instead, I'm going to focus on Jermaine and Joel. What could they have been saying at this time?
You go on here, exception if I get wet.
Yeah.
Wait.
Wait. Hold up. Wait.
Okay.
These heels
What's
is
that?
red Louis bottoms. It's the best.
Really?
It's really good.
No,
it's
let me
cheap.
tell you something. Of course, we wear all of them heels there and wear it well.
Okay, Jermaine.
Yo, you did it? Brother, I know what the panty you did get last year. Yo, I ate that.
Ask her how much feet? $150.
How much?
The truth, you know it's a cheaper. You know it's cheaper.
Like really?
Yo, brother, yo, you're the king. Yo, you pull off the heels, yo. Yo, you too, man. Don't mention it. The stilettos, it's superb. Superb.
Yo, dog.
Yo,
I can't believe you looked at those
brother.
pictures, man.
How much you can pull off a heels?
It's my pleasure.
Yo, big up yourself.
Yeah, man.
Every time,
man.
amazing.
Oh, okay. No, let's just wait. Keep these clothes on.
Oh shit, there's nothing in it.
Wait, the water.
Can I get some water? I'm about to have a panic attack.
I need a pack or somebody pour in the water.
We're not ready. Sorry.
Go slow mo.
No?
Yes.
So anybody never asked me to get a photo.
Now earlier I mentioned that the get-together was not only for Yadman, it should have been for Kolinsky as well. But why wasn't he there? Let's find out.
I don't understand. Unfortunately, I wasn't there and I saw the pictures going up, I saw the videos going up on Instagram. I made it feel that way because I had other engagements. You get me? And, you know, but either way, I would have felt better if somebody called me and say if I'm alright, if I'm still at come. You know what I mean? But I don't know what going on, so I need them to address this.
Yeah, how it works, the business of buying and selling, and when it comes to products on shelf. But then when I clicked on it, I'm like, what the hell is this? And I was like, oh, it's a guy that was... She's social media person.
She sounds like a learning.
But you know, you can't really like answer. It's kind of...
But then, in a moment's notice, one nether person joined the table.
Run air.
Yo, brother. That's what you do to me.
How do you do this?
Oh, sorry, may I vlog, yeah. Yeah. Good night, everyone. Something that looks different. If you have the person who last sits at the table, the person will pay for everybody, you know, so that's what we've been establishing. Wow, rich.
That's just about cover, just the juice and this.
I'm just doing this now because I'm going to get vexed. The wet burrito. Oh, that's big.
Kind of like she said, but not to you.
You see Rochelle do me a while ago? Oh my god.
No man, honestly, man, can't do so.
Where's the rest of it?
That's what she said? Where's the rest of it? I don't know what this is, but this is big as frick. There's a finger licking good. There's a team finger licking good.
People there are into farts. Like, okay? She's into farts. She likes when guys fart on her.
Alright, can eat now.
Hey, you want to eat now? I say that's still it. That's alright, eat now, eating time. Oh, you don't like the bug attack, it was like...
I think when the produce the same amount of content, same type of content for a long time. And I think where you can see like a high quality once you put some music.
Why you stop this?
Oh, that's true.
Well, I want our beauty.
My pumpkin pie. The Caucasian beauty has left her number with the mysterious man. No.
Tacos. Those are the triangular things there. You dip and... Why is this? Why is this? Why is this?
This is the way it is.
On the next RJY, who will have difficulty consuming their food? Find out next time.
Meine Bekannten, als noch, dann wirst du mir das gehen. Und zum Beispiel, ja, für die Note, was kann man das gerade abend nur? But you know, ja, und was ich mir gedacht, und mein Böse ja, was ich mir ja, was ich mir gerade sagen, was ich mir so lenk auf, ja, von und da, und das mir das nur das Astro, Pro, wie bourgeois. Aber das ist ja ja. Beli betul ya siap ya. Ini beli betul siap ya. Semua dia betul betul betul. Dia udah betul na, ni Rosni. Ya, dia suruh apa? Dia mau apa? Oh my God, una, pekerja seperti itu,